going on holiday in 2 days. I have not packed anything. It's a week-long holiday. I am also the queen of overpacking, so let's pack for a week-long cruise around the Norwegian fjords. I'm so excited. I also am very disorganised. I cannot find my packing cubes, so my mum has kindly lent me some Shein bags that I can use instead of packing cubes. But we've currently got a really big mess on our hands. I know what dresses I'm going to take. I kind of like planned out some outfits, but they're just on the floor right now. They're not in the bag. I've kind of just gone through my wardrobe and I'm like, yeah, I'll take that top, that top, that top. But it's kind of there. But we're going for a week and we're taking like day clothes, evening dresses and outfits. I think we're taking 4 pairs of shoes, 2 trainers, 2 like pairs of trainers to wear in the day, a pair of trainers for the gym, and a pair of heels for the evening. I've got some skirts that could be worn in the day or the evening. It's kind of mixed vibes because it's Norwegian fjords, but it's meant to be reasonably warm, like decent temperature, warmer than here. And it's been warm. It's only been 16 degrees, but it's been warm in Wales. But yeah, I've got some stuff ready. So I just thought I'd show you what I'm packing with me to go to the Norwegian fjords. It's going to be a hectic one. I've got a list on my phone. I've also got a list in my notes book. But yeah, we're gonna pack for 1 week. We're probably packing for like a month, realistically, but we're packing for 1 week. So I don't really know where to start. I'm gonna start with putting the suitcase on the bed and like slossing the shoes in. I think that's probably the best start. I will also be taking a break halfway through because I've prepped cookie dough mix and I want to make it tonight, you know, I fancy some cookies. It is currently 10:15, so probably shouldn't have any cookies tonight, but I want to make cookies and I'm going to do it either halfway through or at the end. But we've got 23 kilos, that is what we're aiming for. I've got scales downstairs, so yeah, we need to start packing. I think shoes are going to go in this side. I normally put shoes in the upper part just because they'll be sealed off for the rest of them and then work our way around it. So starting off with shoes, I did just have a little epiphany, but we're going to start off with trainers. So taking my Converse, taking my pink New Balances, taking these gorgeous heels from, I think they're Strad? No, they're Primark, but they kind of gave me like Strad vibes, but they're so comfortable. So I thought these will go with literally the majority of my night outfits, so these will be perfect and these are coming with us. And then my epiphany, right, so there are pools, there is a spa, so I thought I might need some slides for while I'm just around the boat just chilling, you know? So I need these, otherwise I'll be like getting out of the pool and trying to put trainers and socks on, so we need these. So these are coming with us as well. And then finally, I literally just got some campus. I've been meaning to get my hands on campus for ages, but I've got these ones which are technically grey but kind of look like a bluey grey or greeny grey. But they are gorgeous and these I will be wearing on the way there because comfort, they are so comfortable. In terms of clothes, this is literally the situation we're dealing with right now. I literally just pulled everything out of my wardrobe. So yeah, we've got some dresses, we've got some tops and gym wear, skirts. Not pyjamas, my pyjamas are downstairs at the moment, but gym wear, skirts and potentially trousers in there as well. The first bag that we're sitting out then is trousers and skirts. Might just be skirts and shorts and then we'll have another one for jeans. I've got jeans, leather pants and linen trousers. Those are the 3 I'm going for. The weather I'm very uncertain on, to be honest. Looks warm, but it's the Norwegian fjords, how can it be warm? It's just confusing me, but it's meant to be warm. It's meant to be in the like 18 to 24 midst, I think. So potentially could be, so we're going for a mix. So in terms of trousers, I am going to wear my blue jeans on the way there. So we've got, I thought these would be suitable for both day and night. Black flared leather trousers, black jeans. Then I've got these trousers, which I got from Tesco. They are so cute. They've got stripes on them as well, which I feel like just screams holiday. But yeah, these are coming with us as well. Okay, so the trousers don't actually fit into that bag. So the trousers have just gone right at the bottom. The skirts will fit in the bag. I know the skirts will fit in the bag. In terms of skirts then, I've got, do you know what? I really have overpacked. I've probably packed for like a month, honestly. I've got this skirt, which I love taking on holiday with me. It's quite funky. And I've got a specific top that I wear with it. So it's probably only going to be worn once, but it will be worn. Then the second one is this one, which is a Motel Rock skirt. This one I just wear with normally like my either my Converse or boots, and I do normally have a specific top that I wear with this. I am taking a black top with it because it's gorgeous. But that is skirt number 2. I'm literally going to film the holiday as well, so you're going to see me just not wearing half of these clothes. Another skirt I'm taking, I haven't actually worn yet properly, is this one. I think it's gorgeous. I love the lace detail, and I feel like this is going to be beautiful for the cruise. The last skirt I'm taking then, I'm not sure if I'm actually going to wear it. This is like a rogue choice for me, is this blue skirt, which is from Pretty Little Thing. It's got a bit of a side split as well. It's a bit high. This is normally like my hot holidays skirt, so this may be a last minute remove, but it's coming for now. And then I've also got 3 pairs of shorts. I've got these ones, these black and white stripy ones, and then a pair of denim black shorts as well. I was missing a skirt. The last skirt we're taking is this satin one. This is gorgeous. This is really cute, and I think it's going to be perfect for the evenings. Maybe I will take out that blue one to keep this one. It's a compromise. We don't need everything. So yeah, we'll take out the blue and keep the satin one instead. The satin one's really pretty. This is also from Tesco. Tesco really do be hitting. And that is the first bag packed. That is straight in there. Fits lovely. I honestly feel ridiculous as I'm doing this. Like, there's so much that I've got planned to take. It's actually funny. So these are the tops that I'm going to take. I just thought I'd bring it over here because it's just easier to do it over here. So the tops I'm going to take are, this one is like more of a Bardo top. I really like this one, especially for the evening. Can wear it on a day out, but idea is evening. This one, once again, evening top, leather pants. It's a look, I love it, it's a vibe. Then 2 basic white tops. This one's crops, this one isn't. Little basic grey top and a black top as well. And then this one for a day out. This is adorable. This is from Urban Outfitters. Absolutely love the pattern. I just think it's really flattering. It's really nice. I love collared tops at the moment. There is one more top that I'm taking, but it still sits in the wash at the moment. But it is also a collared top. It's a cream one. It's beautiful. And then just some crop tops then. I've got this one. This one is also got an open back. This one to go with the orange skirt. This one I thought would go well with either the black jeans or the leather pants. And then just a basic black crop top. And then there are some other tops, of course. I've got a black strapless top because I'm in my strapless moment right now. I really like it. So black strapless, brown strapless. Red is one of my favourite colours, so obviously had to have some red in there as well. And then I'm not gonna lie, this one's just really comfortable. I think I got this one from Halara, but I'm probably just gonna wear this either on the way there or the way back. Next then we've got activewear. We've got 2 oversized tops for the gym / runs, a jacket which is from TikTok shop. It's honestly buttery soft, it's the best. 1 pair of shorts, 2 leggings and some sports bras. If we can, I'm being very hopeful now, I'm being very optimistic. If we can fit in some bathers, I will put some bathers in there as well, but if not, this is a gym bag. She was too optimistic. So that's 1 gym bag, that's 1 gym bag, that's the 2 gym tops, but also, and the jacket, and then a few tops that didn't actually fit in my other ones. And then here are bathers and bikinis that did not make it into the bags. So they're gonna roam free. I think they might go in this part, potentially, I'm not sure yet. But I might call it a night so far because it is getting late and move on to dresses tomorrow. I am also checking in these jumpers. I've got one that I'm gonna wear, but cardigan, and a jumper that's just easy to wear as well. But this is where we're at so far. I will come back tomorrow when it's a bit earlier, when I've got my new nails as well, but when it's a bit earlier, and just finish off the packing. What we've got left are, we've got toiletries, 2 tops, these, and dresses, and I think that's it. So yeah, we're gonna leave it at that tonight. I think we've come quite a good distance. I've also got my teddy in here. This is not coming with me, but it's a cute little watermelon cat that Jake got me. Yeah, I think we've come along quite well packing wise. Like we've done, I think we're halfway there maybe. Like the majority of the clothes are packed. It's just the dresses, and I'm so excited to try on the dresses. The dresses that I will be trying on because I just need to make sure they are perfect. And I've got some dress bags as well, and they all will fit. I'm pretty sure of it. I just hope it won't go over 23 kilos. I know it won't, but you know, the fear is always there. Day 2 of packing for my cruise, and today we are trying on dresses. I think dresses and pyjamas and toiletries are the only things we have to pack. But I've got quite a few dresses that I want to take. I'm not going to take them all there is one, this one by here is definitely coming with me, but I thought I'll try them on just to make sure they still fit. Like this one I haven't worn since 2019, I think. So we're gonna try some on. This is the dress we're gonna be wearing for Captain's Night. I am so excited. I haven't worn this since my law ball, and I'm very happy to say it still fits. It's flipping gorgeous. It's so pretty. I haven't had another reason. I haven't had an excuse to wear this. So now is obviously the time. This is coming with me. It weighs a ton. I've got 23 kilos. I feel like this is gonna get it to 23 kilos. Yes, we were at 16. So yeah. But this is absolutely gorgeous and I'm so excited to wear this. This is dress number 2. I did originally have 7 dresses in mind. Full on 7, because we obviously need one dress for every night. And then an evening outfit on top of that. But we had 7. I think I've managed to narrow it down to 4. So this is number 2. Dress number 3, which is part of the Rita Ora collection in Primark. And then this is dress number 4. This is actually my graduation dress. I was panicking slightly when I was just zipping it up, thinking that it might not fit, but it does. Graduation was last year? Last June? Last July? I don't even know. Graduation was last year, but this is my graduation dress, and it wasn't last year. Oh my god, when was graduation? This is my graduation dress. I was kind of panicking slightly that this would not fit, but I love this dress. This is so pretty. And this is dress number 4. And we're just going to do a quick shout out to Mum because she did pop out and get me some packing cubes to make up for my lack of packing cubes. It is Cruise Day today. I've got a few more amendments to make, minor amendments to make before we can go. Honestly, it's so heavy. I think we're at 22 kilos or 21 point something kilos, which is not ideal. And I was thinking about it last night because I did end up putting some stuff in here. I've literally put all my liquids in here because it just wasn't working. Claw clips, liquids, I've got books, well a book in here as well, but I've got some minor amendments that I need to make, or minor little changes that I need to make. Hopefully I'll be able to put this in there then afterwards. I think I've got 2 things to add, or a few things to add, but a few things to take out as well because I was thinking about it last night and I was like, it's just not, don't need it, you know, don't need that extra stuff. So the last few bits that need to be added are, I've got a pair of pyjamas, they're really shorts, but now I've got a few pairs of pyjamas in my suitcase. I was just waiting for these to come out the wash. Toothbrush, hair towel, and I really wanted to take, I'm hoping I'm going to wear it. I know what outfit I want to wear it with, is this little black waistcoat. So I'm hoping if I put this in and then take a few things out, I am taking about 3 pairs of jeans, which seems a bit a lot, but there is a reason for each of them. So I've got these ones, which are my normal ones from Stradivarius. I've also got some flare jeans, which I think are from Bershka, leather pants for the evenings from Hollister, and black jeans from ASOS, just to switch it up a little bit, which it is a little bit excessive, but I've got different outfits that will go with each of them, so it is, but it isn't, you know. So this is it as it stands. We are quite jam-packed. The dress is on the top. The dress is just going to have to shove over for a second. The dresses are staying regardless. They are definitely staying. But I thought bikinis and bathers, I don't actually need to take as many as I am because we are having a few days at sea, but we're not having too many. So I think I could take these out. Take my red ones out as well, I think. Then I'll just have a black bikini and a one piece. This is a remove part. I feel like I'm just gonna pop it here so you can see what I'm taking out as well. Skirts and shorts. I was thinking about it once again. I was like, do I need all of this? Probably not. So I've got a few that are gonna go. So one that's gonna go is this one. It's gorgeous, but I only really wear her on hot holidays. And this isn't the type of like hot holiday that I'm planning on. So this one can come out, and I said that one I wear one specific top of it, so this top is coming out also, and then these are also coming out because they don't need to be in there. I'm keeping all of the same trousers in. I'm quite happy with what I've got there. 4 jumpers I'm taking. I've got a green one as well, but I've got 2 cardigans and 2 sweatshirts. Then in terms of tops, I feel like this is where I've got a bit OCT. We don't need all of these. Definitely don't need all of these. So I do have some gym tops in there as well. So I've got 2 gym tops that are in this one now. I've got it so that all of my tops are just in one thing instead of being spread out over a few. So that brown top is coming out. Red top and grey top are both coming out. I'm going to keep the rest of them, I think. That's a decent amount that's come out. It's not, I wasn't going to take out loads of stuff. I just want to take out a few things. And I'm just going to pop my hair towel in. I think it literally is just then dresses, chargers, and just things on me then. So I'll pop my dresses back in a second. My toothbrush needs to go in also. But I think that is this. Just about packed. This is the pile of stuff that has been removed, which is decent, all things considered. We are packed. The suitcase ends up being like 23 kilos. So I've moved some stuff into that little bag, and that is now 21 or 21.8. And I'm guessing that must be like 2. But it's all packed now.